Nadia is a student, a 19-year-old student at Stony Brook. She's been in this country since the age of 1. She learned to walk, on the U.S. soil. Everything she knows about who she is has been formed while living here. Her mother is a hardworking woman. Nadia has also 3 younger siblings and a father, and they're all, just like a regular family living in New York and trying to, build a good life for themselves. And they're seeking permission to stay here and continue doing that. And at this moment, they're at a risk of being torn away from everything they know. And everything that was home for them for so many years.
My dad can speak English, but my mom, she's been in the background. And throughout my whole life for this immigration case, I've always been in the background. So like the past 3 weeks, I feel like I've had to grow up a lot. Like I was just a kid, just doing her own thing, going to school, going to classes, aspiring to become someone when I was older. And all of a sudden, it's like, wow, you have to deal with your case. You have to grow up. You have to just be on top of things and just be an adult. I'm very anxious. Like, I really don't know what to expect tomorrow. Tomorrow I can literally be getting on a plane and leaving everything I've ever known to go to a country that I don't know, the country that is being forced on me to be my home.
Very hard for me, and it is very difficult for me tonight and tomorrow. And I was thinking too much. I praying to God too much. I pray to God they're going to give me good time. My wife and my daughter are going to stay here.
We are, hitting this on several fronts. As you know, it's happening, they're supposed to report tomorrow. And so we're raising awareness as much as we can. We're speaking with politicians, we're speaking with the enforcement agency, and trying to get permission to stay for both Nadia and her mother. And so far, we haven't gotten an answer.